Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, remember my words. BlackRock, after a few days, after they absorb a lot of money for the Ethereum thingy, the ETF, they will announce that they will apply for Solana ETF. Remember what I'm saying. They're making huge money, they're printing money on these, and their next move, it's clearly Solana ETF. So first, you will see a shift of money. Money from Bitcoin ETF will shift towards Ethereum ETF, and then part of this money from Bitcoin and Ethereum will shift towards Solana. Solana will make money for everybody. So invest carefully and yes, be ready. And my advice to you, to double, triple, or quadruple your money, go and trade the option on Solana. Trust me, in the next few months, it will explode. Remember what I'm saying? And one of the brokerages is Deribit. You'll find there Solana. Buy some calls for September, October. Buy some calls. You will, I'll bet you will triple your money in less than 60 days. Guaranteed, even earlier, okay? Remember, BlackRock will apply, with all the other guys, will apply soon for Solana ETF. That's the best move possible. Be ready and watch out. Bitcoin will lose a little bit of power against Ethereum and Solana as of capitalization, right? Okay, so thank you very much and have a profitable week.